Hey guys, it's Sheena and welcome back to my channel Luna Rosu. And today I am super excited to announce the unveiling of this little image subscription I guess club that I've been kind of working on for the past 2 weeks. So this will be hosted on a platform that is very similar to Patreon. Patreon is a sort of a donation website where you can support your creators that you love, and then there's different sort of rewards or membership tiers that you get depending on the amount that you donate. So Ko-fi is very similar to that. I'll put the link somewhere in the frame here. So Ko-fi is very similar to that, and I sort of played around with Ko-fi and explored the interface and the website and the I guess pros of it, and I really like it. I like that the interface is very easy to use, and it's the layout and the images is adorable as well. And the third pro that is, I guess, was very appealing to me is that they have introduced a sort of a section called shop, where you open your shop to sell your digital products or your physical products. I thought that was very cool because as a lot of you might know, I have sort of stopped updating things on my Etsy store, and I've been meaning to look for sort of another platform to migrate to. So I reckon this would be a sort of a great stepping stone, I guess, in case in the future I ever want to start a Shopify website or something like that. So with this vintage image subscription website, initially the focus was to offer just vintage images as is, but I realized that a lot of other websites out there are already offering an amazing plethora and choices and themes of all these gorgeous graphics that I decided, why not, instead of offering that, I would design digital papers and journal cards to as a sort of reward for the donation that you make on my Ko-fi website. So each month I will create a collection which consists of 10 digital papers and 12 journal cards that you can use. And to access that, the donation is a minimum of $3, and you get it monthly. The only difference is if you do a one-off donation, which is maybe just for January, for example, you will only get access to 5 papers and also I think 4 journaling cards. Whereas if you do the monthly one, which is the same price, then you will get access to the entire collection. And the reason I chose to do it this way is because it just sort of gives me that motivation as well to continuously create, knowing that there are people out there who love my designs and are looking forward to it. So without further ado, let me just show you what is in store for November, the first collection. So these are the journaling cards. They will come in a variety of sizes, such as these ones right here, like so. So these are the ones that I sort of put together for this kit, as you can tell. There are sort of snippets of it on my Instagram as well, like that. I thought this was kind of cute, Ko-fi and all that. It could go well with, maybe it could be a recipe card that you could journal on the back. And then there's this one here as well. These are all already cut out, like so. Yeah. So those are the journaling cards that come with this month's collection, which I have entitled as Sweet Beginnings, I think. So these are the digital papers. They look like this. So the sizes are A4. These are just printed on a borderless setting. So it looks like this. There is sort of no particular theme for this month. I think I'm just trying out sort of different ways of putting together a digital paper, and yeah, this is what I came up with. Well, I guess it's very floral and I guess pastel, as you can probably tell. And then there's this one here. I try to have papers that are not too busy as well, sort of like this one, but I kind of like it as well, just because even if you know, fold it this way, there's just some there's still adorable elements that you capture on each paper. You could even, you know, cut out this part right here and make it into a journal card as well. Yeah, so that's another one. And then there's this one here as well. This is also very pretty. I like this one. Yeah. So just different elements in this month's collection, like so. I thought this could make a really pretty journal traveler's notebook cover as well. And then the back is like so. And then finally, the last two designs like that. And then there's this one here as well. So those are the collection for this month, the papers for this month. And for next month, I sort of have already started designing the Christmas pack. And this is basically the first draft of it. I've printed the papers into sort of a postcard size sheet, just so you know. It's just a kind of a tiny sneak peek of what is to come, just to get you guys, you know, more excited about next month. So these are what I came up with for next month. So like I said, the papers are very versatile, so you can even print them out in postcard papers like this. You can print them 4 of the digital papers on a sheet, so you get these sizes. And they make pretty awesome journal cards as well. So that is the first draft. I still have to go in and kind of look through and see whether the colors are right, if there's some tiny details that are just kind of out of place. So far, I'm very happy with next month's Christmas collection. And yeah, so I will put the link, I'll probably leave the link up here as well, so you can you know, have a look through. The website will also have some monthly freebies so that you can print out as well. The freebies will kind of be will most probably correspond with the collection of that month. One thing that I've sort of been bouncing back and forth on is, because the papers are printed out in designed on A4 sized, if you would use them in traveler's notebook size, maybe you would probably have to cut out some of the elements, you know. So I was just thinking if maybe you would like me to design a mix of papers that are more tailored. The designs and placement of designs are more tailored towards traveler's notebook sizes. So because this one, it probably won't fit on a whole page of traveler's notebook. It'll probably, you know, have them cut out like this. So if I were to design in the traveler's notebook size, you would have this image, you know, sized nicely to fit that width of the standard size. So let me know what you think. Even if it's not about this, tell me more about maybe the designs that you want to see as well. I'm taking in ideas for January as well. And so I hope to see you over at my website on Ko-fi. And even if you can't donate or whatnot, there's still some freebies, so do bookmark as well. Don't forget to follow me on social media as well, Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video next week, which is a tutorial that I will do using these papers right here. So so have a great weekend again, guys. See ya. Bye.